Hi everyone, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video we will be doing a how to download Proton VPN on your MetaQuest 2. So you want to download the Proton VPN on your MetaQuest. And here's how to do it. First up, you want to check your requirements. You want to make sure your Quest 2 is updated on the latest firmware. You will also want to make sure that you have a Proton VPN subscription and your account credentials is ready. So make that ready. So on your PC, you want to install Sidecast, the tool for sideloading apps on the Quest, and then in your headset, enable developer mode through the Quest app or MetaQuest mobile app. Next is download Proton VPN application. So from the official Proton VPN website, get the latest Android application file, and then open Sidecast on your PC and connect to your Quest 2 with a USB cable. So this one right here, you just want to get Proton VPN. Next up is you want to install the VPN. You just want to drag and drop the Proton VPN application into Sidecast to install it on your headset. Lastly is that you want to set up and connect. So in your Quest 2, go to unknown sources in your apps library and launch Proton VPN, sign in and connect to your preferred server. And that's it on how to download your Proton VPN on your MetaQuest 2.